Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring IDM is installed and updated on your PC. This provides the browser connector files you need. Once done, open Chrome and go straight to Extensions and enable Developer Mode so Chrome accepts local installs. Make sure you know the IDM connector file location, either a CRX or extracted IDM folder in Program Files. You do this now to avoid permission errors. Next, we'll add the extension directly into Chrome. You will install the connector by dragging the CRX onto Chrome, //extensions, or by clicking Load Unpacked and selecting the extracted IDM extension folder. When Chrome prompts, accept the permissions and enable the extension. This is necessary so IDM can capture downloads. If Chrome blocks CRX, extract it with a zip tool and load the unpacked folder instead. Make sure the extension is toggled on in Extensions once active, IDM, and finish by restarting both Chrome and the IDM application so the connector initializes. Then test with a known downloadable link or video page. IDM should prompt to capture the download. If it does not, make sure Developer Mode stayed enabled and that the extension shows as enabled. Next, reinstall the integration folder or re-add the CRX. If problems persist, temporarily disable other Download Manager extensions and repeat the Load Unpack step to resolve conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.